What's up, you guys? Thank you for tuning into another video with me. This is your girl Jasmine Katrina if you are new here, and this is going to be a short video. I really just wanted to share some of my favorite and my most recent like Amazon finds, and a couple of things that I purchased from Shein around home decor. So let's get into it. So if you don't know, I do plan to relocate in 2023. That's a whole separate conversation we're gonna have later down the road. However, in the meantime, while I'm still in my apartment, which I love and has become home, I've started to pick up some nice pieces that kind of bring the vibe of what I'm going for and everything like that. So I picked up some nice stuff. All of this is mostly Amazon. There's two things that are from Shein, which I will share. I saw these, so I really like flowers. I typically buy flowers every week when I grocery shop and things like that, and I saw these like iridescent vases and I was like, yo, these are nice. So I keep one in my living room and for my centerpiece, and I haven't really quite figured out where I'm gonna put the second one, but until then it's in storage in my cabinets. But those are just some really pretty pieces. I will link all the things that I mentioned in this video below, as well as the price point, and I'll have it across the screen of how much that costs. But all these are really affordable. So then I got a 5-piece set of glass jars. I know this is like super trendy, and I think I saw this on TikTok, but I love storage, right? So they come in 5 different pieces, and I will show you. So you have this really tall one here, and you have this like medium size. There's 2 of these, and then you have a small one, which is 2 of these as well. So that's the 5. And so yeah, so I'm planning on storing a lot of things for Onyx in these, like his treats, his food, and then I want to use some of it for just like bathroom decor and more things around like the kitchen and house area, or kitchen and living room. So we have these. Oops. So we have, just so you can get a sense of like what they all look like. So yeah, small, like large, medium, and then the smalls. And they come in a whole set. I think this was like $23, something like that. Not too expensive. This was completely TikTok inspired. So this is actually a glass carafe. You see the trend of glassware in the house with like neutral tops or bamboo tops. So this is a carafe. And so really, I have been really good about my water intake. And so I drink water before I go to bed. I drink water when I first wake up, and I try to drink water throughout the day. And so I saw this girl on TikTok. She doesn't have this exact one. Hers came with a cup that you use, which I might still pick up for my bathroom, like as I use like Listerine and things like that. But really, you can fill this with some ice and some water, and then I just keep it beside my bed on my nightstand. I just pour it into one of my mason jars, and I just want to make sure that I'm hydrated at all times. So this is a great piece if you are looking to up your water intake, or just have something that's like aesthetically pleasing to serve guests, you know, when you have company over, things like that. Next up is, which I'm actually gonna hopefully install this week, so you'll see that in my upcoming vlog. But these are sconces. So sconces are just lights, and what I'm going to do is put this in my bedroom. So I'm gonna have both of them on the sides of each side of my bed, and that way I can get rid of like my floor lamp. And I'm doing some gold accents, so I'm gonna put this in here in my bedroom, and then replace the floor lamps and move them into the living room, which you'll see in like upcoming vlogs and stuff. But this was pretty affordable. It's a 2-pack. They're black, and I just wanted to have overhead lighting that wasn't like my ceiling fan light, because I like to read and unwind in like my evenings, or if I'm up early doing a devotional, like I don't want my overhead lighting. I just want that small intimate light. So I picked up some sconces. That's exciting. And then this is for the bathroom. So I needed to get a new tray. So this is a bathroom shelf that you can install. I got the silver clear one, and it's layered. It's 2 tiers, which I really like. So the one I had originally was also from Amazon. I'll link that below. But the cool thing about that one is that it's one level, and you don't have the screen thing in, but it kind of like what's the thing called when you, it's like the adhesive, it sticks like that. I can't think of the name, but this is similar. So it has the same type of thing where you just hook it, and like the suction, it has a suction cup for for your wall, so that way nothing gets scraped or, you know, cut up or anything like that. Easy to use, easy to take on and take off as you move or relocate, things like that. Like, this is a really good, and it's sturdy enough where it holds all of my products. So yeah, love this. It's a 2-layer shelf. Got this also from Amazon. Again, I will link below. And then from Shein, I really just picked up 2 things. Oh, actually no, just kidding, also from Amazon. So I got an electric lighter for my candles. I know I love to burn candles. I burn candles almost every day. And so I really wanted to use the electric one. I saw this, another YouTuber had this, and I thought it was really clever, so you don't have to keep using matches and trying to replace that. But then I also got this 3-in-1 candle set. So this comes with the scissors to trim your wicks. This, I believe, you use to like scrape out anything like that, and then this is to snuff the light once you are done with your candle for after you burn it. Thought that was super cool. I picked this up from Target. This was maybe like $6 or something like that, but again, it's aesthetically pleasing, it's gold, and it matches everything else. So that is also what I picked up from Amazon and Target. So Shein is really simple. I got a jewelry case or holder for my rings. Like, I wear a lot of hand rings. I wear a lot of rings, and so I wanted just to have a space where I could just see everything at once, and I can just kind of grab and go. So that's gonna go on my desk, on my drawer, my vanity. And then I picked this up. Now, I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna use this for, but I think when I originally bought this, my intent was to have like everything in this same place, like on my nightstand, or it was for my kitchen. But both of these was like $2 or $3, so I was like, I can't not get it. So again, and it's gold. This is more of like a brass gold. This is more of a shiny metallic gold. But I do plan on having a couple of pieces in here. I think it's what's on my nightstand, because I wanted a place to like hold like my lotions and like things that my body care. But put away. I didn't want anything to be seen, like, you know, out and about. I wanted to be hidden and really organized. So I got this, and that honestly is it. Very, very quick video. This video was like 7 to 10 minutes to make, but I just wanted to recommend a couple of items in case you are looking to kind of level up your luxury and your aesthetic for your home. All of these pieces are incredibly affordable. 90% of this is from Amazon. A few pieces again are from Shein and Target. But I literally loved having, you know, the glassware, the iridescent lighting, the bamboo lids, or the cork lid, and all the gold pieces. And so as I continue to like refine and purge and get my home in order, that's really it. Let me know what else I should look at from Amazon, Target, wherever. I shop all the time. I shop around, and I have no preference of places. So if you have anything that you think I would love, leave a comment below and let's talk about it. So until next time, friends, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.